Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can use Meta AI tool to create any type of videos. Here you can go and search for Meta AI. Then you can open this website. After that, here you can type anything. So before that we need to create a free account. Click here sign up button. And here you can easily create your account with Facebook, Instagram, as well as you can select this option. So now I can copy this email, add here, then click on next button. You can type anything. Let me use ChatGPT. Create a prompt for flying taxi flying around Burj Khalifa. Also I can type one more word, modern flying taxi. After that press enter. Within couple of seconds you will get a professional prompt. Here you can copy this one, and after that add this prompt here. Then you can select the video option. After that click here animate button. So within a single click, here you can see 4 videos are generating. So let's wait for a minute. Here you can see within 20 seconds we got 4 results. Burj Khalifa is also there. That looks great. Now if you want to save this video in your laptop, then on the top right corner here you can see this button. You can easily click, and after that this video will be saved into your laptop. You can also share this video with your friends and anywhere on social media platforms. That looks amazing.